happy Monday. I feel like I have my creative spark back, so I figured we would spend the Monday together. It is 6:10 in the morning and I'm putting my shoes on, getting ready to go for a quick run. I'm contemplating signing up for a half marathon a little bit later on in the year. I'm not fully decided, I have some time left, but I think I'm gonna do it today. Quick fit check. This jacket is Champion brand. This tank top is Santini brand. These shorts are Columbia. My shoes are the New Balance Fresh Foam 1080s and I ran my last half marathon in them. I'm gonna have a little bit of pre-workout. This is a stim-free pre-workout by Bucked Up, meaning that it doesn't have any caffeine in it because I am a little bit sensitive to caffeine. My mom hates it when I dry scoop and she's probably watching this right now, so hi Mom. Don't watch. I started using the Nike Run Club app last night to get a half marathon training program set up. It said that today I'm supposed to have a 15-minute run, so we'll see where that takes me. I'm planning on doing at least a mile running. I also have a 5K coming up in, I believe, 3 weeks. So I feel like that's the perfect kind of boost. And the perfect timing. It might be a little less than what my training should be at that point, but again, I haven't signed up for the half marathon yet. We'll see if I end up doing that. Let's go for a run. It's actually a beautiful morning out this morning, but I don't have any kind of lights or reflective gear to go running like throughout my neighborhood. So I'm just gonna get my run in on the treadmill today. Alright, I jogged for 15 minutes. I am a slow runner, so it took me 13 minutes and 20 seconds to jog a mile. Then I ran the rest of the 15 minutes. Now I'm probably gonna walk for another 15 minutes just to continue to get some movement in. Also, while I was running, I saw that little cat get under my husband's car. The same thing happened at my dad's house whenever I used to live with him, and he ended up adopting the cat. So, am I the chosen cat lady? I don't even like cats. I'm done with my run walk situation. Now I'm gonna get in the shower, quickly wash off, get ready for the day, and then come out and make some breakfast. I'm all showered, work from home OOTD. My tank top is from Old Navy, and my shorts are from Halara. Now I'm gonna quickly get ready, cover up my little blemishes, and go make some coffee. When I'm working from home, that's all the makeup that I do. When I go into the office, I just add a little bit of blush, maybe some mascara. I'm not the biggest makeup person. All right, coffee first. I know it's probably horrible for me, but I'm gonna drink my coffee, come back and brush my teeth, and then make my breakfast. About 20 minutes. I'm gonna sit out here and enjoy my cup of coffee before I go in to sit down at my desk and start my work for the day. It actually feels too good to work inside, so I just brought my laptop out here. I have a meeting at 9 o'clock, so I'll work outside for about an hour and a half and then go in for my meeting. It'll probably be starting to get warm at that point too, so it'll be the perfect time to go in. I'm taking a quick break to make some breakfast before my first meeting of the day. We went to the farmer's market this weekend and got some jalapeno cheddar sourdough, so I'm gonna toast up one of these slices and then make one scrambled egg. I'm gonna put a little bit of sriracha on here for a little extra flavor. Here's what we're looking like. I've been working hard over the past couple hours and it's time for some lunch, so I'm going to use my handy dandy air fryer. I'm obsessed with this. If you don't have an air fryer, I promise you, you need one. But I'm using my air fryer to heat up some leftovers. My husband and I went to Chili's for lunch yesterday, so I have a bunch of stuff left over. I'm gonna heat just a little bit of this up. And my fries are gonna go in the air fryer. Whenever you microwave fries, how they get soggy, whenever you put them in the air fryer, they seriously come out tasting fresh. So I'm gonna throw a couple fries into the air fryer. They'll just need a few minutes to heat up. I'm also gonna heat up some of this mac and cheese, a little bit of a chicken crisper, and a couple pieces of sausage. We stick with a couple different meals from Chili's. We usually either get the smokehouse combo, their Cajun Alfredo pasta, or a burger. This smokehouse combo does seem like it's a little steep in price, but we always find that we have a lot of leftovers with it. The thing that I love about working from home is that I just loaded the dishwasher up and started it while I was waiting on my lunch to be prepared. So now I'm gonna sit on the couch, enjoy my food, edit a few videos, and then get back to work once my hour's up. I'm officially off work. I have a quick ad to film, so I'm gonna do that. It's me packing my lunch, so I'll include that video here. I'm gonna be using this Viral high protein tuna to pack myself some adult Lunchables for lunch over the next few days. This tuna has 28 grams of protein per can. I'm gonna split it up over 2 days, meaning I'm getting about 14 grams of protein in each lunch. I'm gonna add in 1 can of tuna, about a tablespoon of mayonnaise, and some hot chili sauce. I'm also gonna add in a pinch of garlic salt and ground black pepper just for a little bit extra flavor. Gotta give it a little taste now. Oh, that's good. Each lunch container is gonna get half of this tuna mixture, a couple carrots, some crackers, and a little bit of cheese. And there you have quick and easy grab and go adult Lunchables using this Viral Korean high protein tuna. I'm gonna pack some overnight oats for my breakfast as well, but I'm gonna try something a little bit different. I have this big bag of mixed berries that I froze so that they wouldn't go bad. I'm gonna use some of these to make a little syrup to go on top of my overnight oats. I wanna get fruit into my diet, but overnight oats by themselves can be kind of plain, so this will add the perfect amount of sweetness. I'll add about a cup of these frozen berries to a pot with a couple tablespoons of white sugar. Turn this onto a low heat and let it simmer, probably for about 20 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm gonna make my overnight oats. I'm gonna do 1/3 of a cup of these old-fashioned oats, about a tablespoon of chia seeds, and then usually I would add sweetener and extras into this, but since we're doing that mixed berry topping, I'm just gonna add my milk. I use 2% milk, use whatever you want. I'm gonna do just a little bit more than 1/3 of a cup. It'll probably end up being about 1/2 cup of milk directly into my oats. Give this a quick stir, cover them, and then that's your overnight oats. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I feel like overnight oats are best whenever they're given about 24 to 48 hours to sit in the fridge. Obviously, if I'm eating them tomorrow, they won't even get 24 hours, but I still enjoy them. I'm about to heat up some dinner. We're just doing leftovers. My in-laws came over on Saturday for tacos. I made a whole spread of tacos, so we're just gonna have that for leftovers.